The top banking institute in Balasore. The banking sector gives more opportunities to those students who are seeking government jobs or wants to get a job in the banking sector. Banks recruit staff through conducting exams like SBI PO is SBI clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk in NABARD and RBI exams. Here we talk about the Baleswar banking aspirants. There are so many banking institutes in Baleswar. We provide top banking institute in Baleswar and their facilities. It will help you to choose the best banking institute in Baleswar. The Barnik Institute. It is one of the popular banking institute in Baleswar. It provides standard study materials that cover all banking courses like SBI PO, clerk, IBPS PO, clerk, NABARD and RRB. It provides monthly, weekly and daily basis current affairs, and it also provides extra classes for analysis of previous year question answers. It also provides group discussion classes, doubt clearing classes and motivational classes. It also provides online and offline monthly and weekly test series and mock test. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Mahendra Educational Private Limited. Mahendra Institute is situated at third floor Police Line Square, OT Road, Balesore, Odisha. It is another top banking institute in Balesore. It provides both online and offline courses of SBI PO clerk, IBPS PO clerk, NABARD and RRB exams. It provides experienced faculty and the best study materials. It also provides offline online test series and mock test. It also provides computer labs, network connection and library. It provides monthly, weekly and daily basis current affairs. It also provides group discussion classes, doubt clearing classes and question and answer analysis classes. It opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 7:30 p.m. BSc Academy. BSc Academy is situated at the Sanjay Heights, Proof Road, Nalamganj, Baleswar. It is one of the top banking institute in Baleswar. It provides experienced teaching facility, teaching staffs, standard study materials that cover the syllabus of SBI PO clerk, IBPS PO clerk, and RRB exams, computer labs with free Wi-Fi connection. It also provides a large library. Besides, it provides offline, online, weekly test series and mock tests. It also provides group discussion classes, motivational classes, question answer classes, and doubt clearing classes. It's open up at 7 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Sure Success Coaching Center. The Sure Success Coaching Center is one of the top banking institute in Baleswar. It is situated at Gopalgaon, Baleswar. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. The faculty in the study material of this institute is quite excellent. Byte libraries, computer labs, and network connection. It also provides interview classes, tests. Besides, it provides motivational classes for self-grooming. It also provides monthly and weekly test series and mock tests. It provides a workbook for more practices at home. Galaxy Vidwan. The Galaxy with one of the institute situated at Paduan Pada, Baleswar. It is another best banking institute in Baleswar and it profiles highly intellectual professors as a staff and current affairs that covers all syllabus of SBI clerk, IBPS PO clerk, RRB clerk, and RBI exam. It also provides computer lab, internet connection, and libraries. It provides monthly and weekly test series and mock tests. It provides workbook for more practices. Also, it provides group discussion classes, question answer classes, and doubt clearing classes. It also provides motivational classes and self-improvement classes. It opens up at 7:30 a.m. and closes at 7:30 p.m. The Shine Institute Management. This institute is one of the best banking institute in Baleswar. It is situated at Malikpur, Gadgadiya Chowk, Baleswar. It provides offline banking courses for banking aspirants on special discount offers. It offers weekly and monthly test series and mock tests. It provides a workbook for practices. Also, it provides motivational classes and self-improvement classes. It provides both group discussion, analysis of previous year question, doubt clearing classes, also provides a workbook for more practices at home. It delivers the best current affairs. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. The Kalinga Academy. It is another top banking institute in Baleswar. The faculty of this academy are well experienced and intellectual. It provides the best study materials and covers all the banking courses of SBI PO, SBI Clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk, IBPS RRB Clerk, and RRB exams. It also provides doubt clearing classes, group discussion classes, and previous year question answer classes. It also provides a workbook for more practices at home, and it provides weekly, monthly, and test series and mock tests. It also provides very good discount offers on the banking course fees. It provides daily basis current affairs. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. TRESS Institute, Training and Research Academy for Career Excellence, is situated at Asha Nagar, Baleswar. It provides well-experienced trained faculties and standard study materials that covers all the syllabus of SBI PO, SBI Clerk, IBPS PO Clerk, RRB PO Clerk, NABARD, and RBI exams. It also provides motivational classes, group discussion classes, question answer classes, self-improvement classes. It provides online and offline mock test and test series. It delivers current affairs. It also provides computer lab network connection along with libraries. It provides extra classes for self-grooming and free interview mock test and video lessons. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Career Launcher. It is one of the top banking institute in Baleswar. It is situated near Kharpara, Azimabad, Baleswar, Odisha. It provides all the courses that covers all the syllabus of SBI PO, SBI Clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk, RRB PO, RRB Clerk, NABARD, and RBI exams. It also provides online, offline mock tests and test series. A lot of revision video lessons of interview mock test. It delivers current affairs. Besides, it provides a computer lab and free Wi-Fi connection and libraries. It also provides the best current affairs and analysis of previous year question answer and newspaper. It also provides online and offline banking courses to banking aspirants. It also provides a good discount on banking course fees. It opens up at 7:30 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Ellen Academy. It is one of the best banking institute in Baleswar. It is a specialized for online courses, but it also provides offline courses to banking aspirants. It provides experienced faculties and best study materials that cover all the syllabus of IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk and PO, NABARD and RBI exams. It provides online and offline test series and mock tests. It also provides both doubt clearing classes along with group discussion classes, the discussion of previous year question answer classes, and analysis of newspaper, and delivers the best current affairs. It also offers a good discount on banking courses fees. It provides computer lab with network connection and libraries. It opens up at 7 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. There are so many banking institutes in Baleswar. We provide the top banking institute for Baleswar banking aspirants. It will help you to choose the best one. These institutes are software trusted and provide all the facilities to the banking aspirants. Please go through our content. It will help you to find out the top coaching centers in Baleswar.